In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily denoise any noisy image in Lightroom Classic using the AI feature. So let's go right into it. So you come to the details section and click on it. Come right here and select Denoise. So as you can see from the button, it says reduce the noise with AI. The results will be saved as a new GNG file. Once it has finished denoising this image, it will save a copy of the denoised version as DNG file. So let's go right into it. So click on Denoise. It will bring up this little box here where it will load up the image, and you'll be able to preview how the denoise is going to look like. This will normally take some time depending on how fast your system is. So it has finished loading it. So you can just move the slider to see the image. It's going to move around. I'll zoom this one down a little bit. You can play around this slider just to see how it works. This enhance, this before. So increasing the slider will enhance it the more. So I'm just going to increase it more. Let's see 70. Let's see 70. This is the enhanced version. So let's see the before. This before, this after, before, after, before, after. Just play around with the slider for more effect. So once you're happy with the results on this preview screen, click on Enhance. This will normally take some time, depending on how fast your system is. Lightroom Classic has completed the denoise process. Let's see the before and after. This was the before. As you can see, it's very noisy. And this is the after. The difference is so clear. The AI really did a good job. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you like tutorials like this? You can save this video for later and share with someone who might need it. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.